Regardless of schools, every Iaido Kata shares a fundamental connections. Let's break it down. Koeguchi no kirikata, nukisuke, furi kaburi, kirioroshi, chiburi, noto, and zanshin. Koeguchi no kirikata, cutting the cob's mouth. Loosening your sword from the mouth of the scabbard. Thumb firmly push the suba to unwedge the habaki from the koeguchi. Allows the blade to be drawn smoother. Avoid pulling the sword out aggressively. It damages the sword and the scabbard. Or worse, you may lose your fingers. Release the safety and push the sword out with your right hand. Nukisuke, to draw and control. The cut to trigger a reaction of the opponent. Used to forestall and control before the opponent initiates an attack. Other types of nukisuke cuts follows similar theory. Pull the saya back and draw. Rotate saya to the cutting angle. Squeeze the sword grip to launch the blade. Sayabiki and draw. Rotate the saya and launch. Furikaburi, the tension before the killing strike. Maintain constant blade pressure. This is to control the opponent. Move for a big cut when you see an opening, commonly known as the motion before the final or killing cut. Maintain constant blade pressure. Kirioroshi, the drop cut or the big cut. One of the more potent cuts. Some may imagine it's the cut that splits the opponent in half. But it's not always the final or killing cut. Avoid bouncing and lose your balance over the cut. Left arm swings and right arm does the guiding. Chiburi, shaking of blood. It's a symbolic movement to shake off the blood from the sword. However, contrary to popular belief, its primary purpose is to practice mental focus, called zanshin. Noto, return the sword. The act of returning sword back to the sire. Some schools varies in their methods to Noto. Here are some examples, just for fun. Muso Shinden Ryu, Muso Jikiden Eishin Ryu, Katori Shindo Ryu, Tenshin Ryu Hyoho, Tatsubi Ryu, and Yushin Ryu, to name a few. Zanshin, the remaining mind. Zanshin starts from the very beginning till the completion of your kata. Maintain Zanshin after cutting down your enemies. Every kata have 7 fundamentals components. Let's review them again. Koiguchi no kirikata, kisuke, furikaburi, kirioroshi. Chiburi, Noto, and finally Zanshin. Safety off, control and forestall, control and opening, big killing cut, shake off the blood, return the sword, remaining mind. Components may vary, but every kata shares a connection. I hope this has been helpful and educational. Welcome to share your thoughts and wisdom at the comment section. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.